In a time of more difficult economics, where ticket prices are rising, there's overall turmoil in the stock market, and the housing market is totally depressed, fans are looking for a way to get more from their money. This means that they now have the audacity to hope and require more for their sporting experiences. They don't simply want to watch something, they want to interact, to experience, to know. This precedent has been set by many sports today, beginning with football and the line marker for downs. Also, hockey has been known to use technology in various places, including inner puck. Tennis uses ball tracking systems to make sure the ball is in or out. And NASCAR uses all kinds of technology and video overlays to increase the experience. Even cricket does this today. And if the British can do it, we can do it. The need for new technology in baseball exists. These benefits will enhance the experience for everyone, with real-time tracking for those watching in television, moving on to new statistics to help the ultimate baseball fans. Superior player situational analysis will assist with the enhanced game day experience, and new metrics will allow clubs to determine who it is they really want to buy. Why is it that baseball can't have something like this technology? Checks and Balances is the company to bring this solution to baseball. We're a new company with a new perspective. We're a small, rapid response, diverse team of individuals led by one Armando Perez with mechanical background. We're also assisted by all the talents of Troy L. Grossarth, published author. Also, we have Michael Easton, trained trash technician. Our company has all kinds of amenities, beginning with this amazing employee spa facility. We also have wonderful gym and reading areas. We enjoy 4-star dining on every occasion. Outside, we have a wonderful recreational area with nice little border wall. There's ample parking for all of our vehicular needs. And finally, our advanced research facility assists us as we go to look at every aspect of this challenge. Here we have a research engineer looking hard to determine every aspect of this problem. How's that gravity thing coming, Armando? Excellent. At Checks and Balances, we're willing to look into a diversity of texts and resources to help us understand every problem. We're willing to work together to understand what those texts mean. It's difficult sometimes to interpret what it is that we're trying to understand. But as a team, working together, unified, we always rise to the challenge. That is what makes Checks and Balances so much different than every other team. Using this unique business interaction, we found 3 main conceptual objectives for this system. First, the identification of important events. Secondly, the measurement of those events. And thirdly, the analysis of the data from the measurement. This analyzed data will be useful for people experiencing baseball in many different areas, from the television viewer to the internet user, any peripheral partners, and even Major League and its baseball managers. We found 4 major areas of need for this system. The first is the identification of any critical game events. Secondly, the creation of illuminating, easily understood statistics for those events. Next, we would need to be able to use those statistics to foreshadow potential play. And finally, there would have to be some way of measuring true abilities of a player in any given situation. The ways of enabling this system are diverse, from high-definition cameras used in football, taking that information and reporting it to server towers, or alternatively, in-ball systems such as this 3-axis accelerometer could provide position of the ball, used in concert with an RFID chip placed on the players. One thing to remember at Checks and Balances is that we are always willing to consider the do-nothing solution. At Checks and Balances, we use both enterprise architecture techniques and proprietary risk identification methods to bring you an integrated risk methodology. We believe in the benefit of looking at all aspects of risk, from performance, schedule, cost, and project. We don't believe that risk analysis is simply looking at these categories, but assessing them, managing them through techniques and actions, and also making sure to communicate them at every opportunity to upper levels of management. It is the communication of this risk that makes Checks and Balances so much different. We will never hide anything. Here are just a few of the risks that we found using our proprietary techniques. We want to look at these risks and make sure to come up with an extensive mitigation plan like this one for each one of those that are listed. Mitigation is our priority. Well, after communication and then mitigation. As you can see here, this risk is mitigated. Our desire is to turn a normal baseball viewing experience, like this one, into something much more interactive and powerful as shown here. Here we see overlaid graphics with indicators of position and types of play taking place. As we speed through the video, we can look at the individual components that makes Fielder's Choice so amazing. First, we can start with the ball path trajectory indicator. After the ball leaves the bat, algorithms calculate the exact path the ball will take out into the outfield. Also, we have a ball impact indicator. This star will show within the width of a glove where exactly on the field the ball is going to land according to the predictive algorithms. Next, we have the efficient fielding path. By locating the fielder on the field and charting the most efficient path to the ball impact site, the computer can tell us how efficient that player's running path is. Finally, real-time statistics will update in the upper right corner of the screen, allowing the interactive user to know exactly what is going on, showing ball distance, fielder path efficiency, and also the hang time of the ball. Finally, based on the calculated algorithm, the computer can show when an actual error took place. Here we see that the fielder should have been able to catch the ball. He was within the proper zone, yet he made an error on the play. It's these types of advancements that will change the nature of the baseball viewing experience. For more information, please contact Checks and Balances Incorporated through your local SIE 554A outlet.